Wake up, meaning stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. She wakes up early. Get up, meaning leave your bed. I get up at 7:30. He gets up late. Sit down, meaning take a seat. Please sit down. She sits down quietly. Stand up, meaning rise to your feet. Stand up, please. He stands up quickly. Turn on, meaning start something. Turn on the light. She turns on the TV. Turn off, meaning stop something. Turn off the fan. He turns off the phone. Put on, meaning wear something. Put on your shoes. She puts on his jacket. Take off, meaning remove something. Take off your shoes. He takes off his hat. Go out, meaning leave home. I go out at night. They go out together. Come in, meaning enter a place. Come in, please. She comes in slowly. Go back, meaning return. I go back home. He goes back to work. Come back, meaning return. Come back soon. She comes back late. Look at, meaning see something. Look at this. He looks at me. Look for, meaning try to find. I look for my keys. She looks for her phone. Find out, meaning discover. I find out the truth. He finds out later. Pick up, meaning lift or collect. Pick up the bag. She picks up the phone. Put down, meaning place something. Put down the book. He puts down the glass. Give up, meaning stop trying. Don't give up. She gives up easily. Go on, meaning continue. Go on talking. He goes on working. Come on, meaning encourage or hurry. Come on, let go. Come on, try again. Take care, meaning be careful. Take care of yourself. She takes care of him. Run out, meaning have nothing left. I run out of money. We run out of time. Workout, meaning exercise or solve. I work out daily. She works out the problem. Bring back, meaning return something. Bring back my book. He brings back the bag. Call back, meaning return a call. I call you back. She calls me back later. Check out, meaning look at or leave. Check out this video. We check out of the hotel. Fill out, meaning complete a form. Fill out this form. He fills out the paper. Try on, meaning test clothes. Try on this shirt. She tries on the dress. Look after, meaning take care of. I look after my brother. She looks after the kids. Get along, meaning have a good relationship. We get along well. They get along easily. Break down, meaning stop working machine. My car broke down. The machine broke down. Bring up, meaning mention something. She brought up the topic. He brings up an idea. Call off, meaning cancel something. They called off the meeting. We call off the plan. Carry on, meaning continue. Carry on your work. She carries on talking. Cut off, meaning stop suddenly. The call cut off. They cut off the power. Drop off, meaning leave someone, something. I drop him off at school. She drops off the package. End up, meaning finally reach a result. I end up tired. He ends up happy. Figure out, meaning understand or solve. I figure out the answer. She figures out the problem. Hold on, meaning wait. Hold on a minute. She holds on for help. Let in, meaning allow to enter. Let him in. She lets me in. Look out, meaning be careful. Let him in. She lets me in. Make up, meaning become friends again / invent. They make up after a fight. He makes up a story. Pass out, meaning faint. He passed out suddenly. She passes out in heat. Set up, meaning arrange or start. I set up the table. She sets up a meeting. Show up, meaning arrive. He shows up late. She shows up early. Take away, meaning remove something. Take away the plate. He takes away the box. Turn up, meaning appear or increase. He turns up late. Turn up the volume. Back up, meaning move backward or support. Back up a little. I back up, my friend. Clean up, meaning make something clean. Clean up your room. She cleans up the kitchen. Slow down, meaning reduce speed. Slow down the car. He slows down while driving.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.